Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Life360 Circle app using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Life360 app from your app drawer and you'll end up in this page. If you don't have an account yet, start off by creating a new one by tapping on Get Started. But if you do, tap on the sign in link at the bottom right in yellow. On the next page, you'll need to type in your registered mobile number into the text box to continue logging in. From the drop-down, choose your country by selecting from the options displayed, and once you find it, give it a tap. Enter your mobile number into the text box. Once you type in your phone number, tap the continue button. You can also log in with your email address. To do so, tap on sign in with email and type in your email address on the next page. Once tapping on continue, you'll need to type in your password on the next page. In case you don't remember your password, tap on forgot password link beneath the continue button. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password for Life360. After you are done typing in your password, tap continue button in yellow and you'll be able to log into your Life360 app right away. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.